Welcome. In front of me I have OPPO Reno5, and today I'll show you how you can check number of apps that you have opened each day. So at the first you have to go for the settings, then move to the Digital Wellbeing and the parental controls. Right now click to show our data and tap on the unlocks. And as you can see, we have to get here the times opened in this place. And right now when you scroll down, you can see how many times you opened each app. In my case, settings were opened 49 times, phone dialer 11, camera 6, Google app 3, and we can click here to show other apps, just like that. And you can go back to the other days and weeks by swapping like that. So, if you found this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.